Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. And today we have this very dusty for some reason, I don't know why. Opel Rekord, a Cabriolet made from 1963 till 1965 from the Opel collection. I don't know why this one doesn't match the one in the back there, because the one in the back looks very better. I would like that color more than this gray color, but it is what it is. Let's have some details of this car. So its top speed is 142 kilometers. It could go up to 118 seconds. It has 67 horsepower or 50 kilowatts, and I'm not sure what that is. A spark plug. I know what that's a spark plug, but what does that cubic inches or something? Not very sure. So yeah, let's get this guy off the base. Put that away for now. Well, it still looks pretty nice, and we have this pesky screw. So let me get the car off the base, and I'll be right back. Okay, the model is taken off the base. I have actually figured out how to get these off of that without having a triangle screwdriver. So yeah, here's the model itself. Very shiny. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. Yeah, so we have lensed headlights, lensed tail lights. It says Rekord on the back of the plate. There's some kind of a hair there. Okay. Which is also now on the top. There we go. So the color, it's not very interesting. It's very it's gray, so it's not interesting whatsoever. We have this like orangey slash red interior, which complements the gray color at least. So it's not as bad for a color combination at least. We also have the little, what do you call them? It's like sun visors, something like that. Also at the top, also red. Metal body, of course, it's die-cast. The base is plastic. Rubber tires. Looks like we're gonna have a bit of a roller issue because this one looks like its back wheels are getting caught on something. One of the tires is a bit loose. Can push it somewhat more inwards. And the front ones are fine. So I think it's because of this arch being so low, and the front ones is very, very high up. So yeah, nothing much more I can say about it. There's nothing much more to be about it. Not the best one I've opened. Oh, it does roll at least. Oh, that's good, because previously I didn't think it was gonna roll. The front tire is a bit funky though. Can fix that. Yep, there we go. Fixed, quick and easy. So this is gonna be definitely my more basic one, but like I said, not too crazy on the color. It did look better in the pictures for some reason, but in real life it's a bit not so much. But I still like the car, so hope to find maybe in a different color or something. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the car. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.